Hello. Today is April 9, 2024. Welcome to the Stock Trading Channel and welcome back those who have been here before. Today we are looking at TSLA, MDIA, and LASE. TSLA is something that I have. I have positioned TSLA, but I'm looking for some sort of confirmation to trade this thing, swing or on the daily or day trade this thing, and something caught my eye. Last couple of days, we have a double bottom here. We have a double bottom off of the 160 level, the W pattern, which is a very good pattern if you're looking for turnaround. And it has been trading within a descending triangle for quite some times. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's had completed a 5 wave down to a double bottom and out of a descending wedge. So we have a lot of signal here as far as bottom in TSLA. And today we have a confirmation of a move up out of the 10-day moving average, which is the buy signal. What I observed over the last couple of days is we got a lot of spike, a lot of strong move from 160 level, strong move. And on Monday, we had this move up and it made multiple highs during the course of the day. And in my experience, when it make multiple high like that, usually the first high become support. In this case, which is 172 and 171 has become support. And today we have another confirmation of that when it pulled back to 172 and moving average. This blue line is a 10-day moving average on the daily side. So today when it got a pullback to this area, it make another big move up within the first hour trading. So a lot of signal suggesting a turnaround in TSLA. MDIA is next. Big move up, pull back to the bottom of the big move, pull back to moving average, and it make strong move, 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, and it pull back, and we got right here $2, $2.15, and it pull back to that area. It bounce off one more time, and today we had a big move up and a pullback to the bottom of that big move, and it popped up one more time. It bounced up. So it's just, would you see a lot of this is one of the reasons why I make these videos, so that you get you get to see this thing again and again and again and again. And if you watch enough of these videos, I hope it will become part of your trading. Okay, so today we had big move, pull back, strong move, 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, 4 high, 5 high, and then pull back, and then bounce up one more time. So from here, 3 6, make they high at 5. What is that? That's more than 50%. That's more than 50%. And got bound, it pull back to this area. Where would I after the break, after bounce off, after the big move up like this, I would mark the support area right there. Okay, once you draw a baseline support, it doesn't mean that it's not going to get there. It doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that it won't go to this. It's just a suggested area. Okay, so either you buy close and add more, because a lot of time you set a buy trigger at the line, it won't trigger. In the case of today, it never got to that line. It never got to that level. So if you got here and your expectation is to make it back to day's highs, it doesn't matter you buy it here or here if your expectation is up here. See what I'm saying? So you see a little bit of red, but you believe strongly that it will go back up here. So it doesn't matter if you buy here, okay, or here. If you got here and go down to here, you double up. And you have moving average right here. So when it pull back to this, often, very often, then will bounce off. If we have prior strength and higher height, and when it pull back, it will bounce off most of the time. So that's NDIA, LAXSE. I didn't trade this today, but I just thought that there's a great lesson in here, so I want to share it. So down here in the 1 hourly chart, we had a resistance at 2.5 from previous high. And so today it moved up twice, that big move up here, and then it trading in this range of 2.5 and 2, and eventually broke above 2.5, and made it to 4.5. Okay, remember this pattern. Big move up, and there's a series of higher high. Okay, making a flag, and when it breaks above that, often it makes 100% move, an equal size move from the bottom of the big move here. So from here is $1.50. Up here it's two. From here to here it's $1, and it moved $1 above this level will be 3.50, but it make all the way to 4.50. The move today is like 20 times the average daily move that it had made. So at this point, if my expectation is $1 move after the break, good place to sell is right there. Okay, and I trading sideways. Another place to buy for entry is after it broke above 370 up here. But if you trade up here, you want to sell quickly. You don't want to hold it, because when it got into this point, it is the move is like 20 times the daily average that we have seen in the stock, and you don't that it's just, you don't want to be greedy. You don't want good trade turn bad just because your expectation was unrealistic. You expect it to go on forever. Okay, so have a game plan, have a profit taking target, and take profit and get the hell out. And that is all we have for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy trading. Bye.